You may see advertisements from dentists for cosmetic dentistry. You may see that on their signs, other advertisements, other things online. The truth of the matter is, in this office, everything is cosmetic. It doesn't matter what the procedure is. I am focused on getting the best cosmetic result that I can achieve with whatever your procedure is. It may be a single crown on the last tooth in the mouth, way in the back. I want that to blend and look as perfect as a tooth as any other in the mouth, and I will focus on trying to achieve those cosmetics for you. It may be other procedures up in the front of the mouth. The point is, this office is as cosmetic as any other dental office. You may not see advertisement of cosmetics all over the place or on my sign, but do understand, it is a focus, no matter what we do, for any patient, any procedure, that we achieve the best cosmetics we can anywhere in the mouth.